guys, it's the Nasi. Okay, so we are gonna go unboxing some toys. What should we start first? Something sweet, slimy, cute, and delicious smell. And give it a good clue. Nom 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 nom. Okay, now you guessed it. Nom noms. I don't know if you're gonna really guess it, but it is Nom Noms. Yeah, it is Nom Noms. So let me just show you. We are gonna be unboxing Nom Noms Melty Pops. She is Galaxy Pop. Okay, so Nom Noms box. So we are gonna be okay. What's good? Okay, so we are gonna see what are the characters in here. We got Galaxy Pop. Is that Sprinkle Pop? Yeah, Sprinkle Pop. Tropical Pop. Peach Pop. What is that kind of pop? A Blueberry Pop. Melon Pop. Sour Berry Pop. And Candy Stripe Pop. We're gonna unboxing it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So wait. I just took this thing out. Let's get my high swag ass. So let me fix this a little bit to go down a little more down. I hope it doesn't drop again. So this table's coming out. Okay, so let's see. You can't really see stuff. Let's see. Can't really see. Where the stuff? Where the glue? How do you open this thing? That was like a ninja flip, maybe. Hiya! I might need some scissors. Let me get some scissors. Okay, you guys, it's gonna be hard. Wait, I'm gonna. Nana, do you have any scissors? Oh, can I have some scissors? I need to unbox my little. That's not little. Okay, it's Nom Noms. Little Nom Noms, please. That's your trash. Oh, there's some donuts. I don't like the big ones. Okay. Sorry guys, just a little bit there. We took off the cover, now let's put the trash. So it's right here, but the one I'm excited is for the second part. Nah, the second part's later. Oh my god, we got this, oh my god, look at that, it's so cute. It's so cute. I wanna open it, but how do you, wait, you need to use the instructions first, right, yeah. Instructions! Oopsie, dropped them. What's this? Find hidden Nom Noms, don't eat me. Of course. Weird. Okay, so like, yeah. So I like find hidden Nom Noms. So where's the bottom part? Yeah, the bottom part. Is this the thing? Yeah, this is all. Trash and trash. Got this. What's this one here? Okay. So it's Nom Noms Snackables. Ooh, bubbles, crunchy, glitter, sprinkles. This is cool. Just throw that away. Okay, so Nom Noms Melty Pops. So we got Galaxy Pops. Yeah, we got Galaxy Pop. Galaxy Pop is special. It has grapes and it has like the essay. Okay, so guys, you check for a moment. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, yeah, I got it. Ooh, this is cool. It says uni marshmallows. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this a little later. I'm gonna see what we just got. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first let me read the instructions. I'm just like new, super new. Container with slime lid. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So number 1, take off the lid. Ooh, this is cool. It's like bald. I guess I have to open this thing. Oh, it's actually kind of easy. Wow, another container in it. Well, how do you... Push the handle so that the slime is completely exposed to the container. Hands up on its own. Hey, it's so cool. It's like a real one. It smells so good. Ah, it smells like berries. But it smells like the hard maybe slime. Maybe the hard slime. Okay, next. Remove and retain the plastic sheet around the slime by pulling the tab. Oh, because it's kind of easy. Yeah, it is easy. It's so easy. Okay, so let's remove the lid. What is this? Is that my hidden nom nom? Watch the slime melt and reveal the surprise. Oh, you have to melt the slime. So we have to wait for some seconds. How many seconds will this be? Or minutes? I'll just take it off and I'll melt it. Yeah, I'll just take it off and I'll melt it. Whoa, I got this nom nom. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna check with this nom nom. What did I got? What did I got? Did I got curly kitty? What did I got? What did I got? What did I got? I know this is my... Whoa, it's so cool! Look at my slime! Whoa! This Melty Pop. It smells so good. But we still have to melt it. So, look, let's just review this. What are these tiny stuffed things? They look cool. So, I need a... wait, I'm gonna ask if there's any... Nanay? Is there any pen or like that? So I could mark the thing. Oh, okay. Well, we are gonna... Well, I think we're almost done with the video. So we got... Let's see what we got. We got Berry Bright. And we got Midnight Cloud. Oh, look at that. So cute. They're so cute. Ah. Yeah. Okay, so I got this melting slime. It's still hard because you have to melt it. Okay, I guess I'm done with my video. But first, let's check this thing. What is this? Oh, this is Curly Kitty. Okay, I'm done with my video, guys. Bye-bye. There's the next video on the Pooperaos. Yeah, I already told you. Okay, so bye. This is the end of the video. Slime.